I stand here today to say, I'm with you. You know, my successor will be with you. And you need to just tell us how we can be useful. I mean, our job is to be helpful. And so my reaction to all of this is, you know, we pray that God blesses you, that He blesses the Dalai Lama, and that his life be a long one, because we need his inspiration, we need his guidance, and we need him to help us resist the dragon behind us, and to bring attention to the many human rights violations that we all know happen. So thanks again for having me. It's great to be here with you, and keep up the good work.
On the mountain,
flutter in the wind, carry praise and blessings
to all those who listen.
Far away on the plains, a people live in peace, for a new day to dawn on the homeland of their dreams. Tibet, Tibet, the home my parents left. Tibet, Tibet, you live in my every breath. Tibet, Tibet, I'll be with you once again. Your streams and mountain peaks will one day be unchained.
Completion of 62 years since the Tibetan people revolted against the brutal imposition of occupation power by the communist Chinese enemy.
So it's my honor right now to first read Speaker Nancy Pelosi's statement on the 62nd anniversary of the Tibetan Uprising Day. The statement released today in observance of 62nd anniversary of Tibetan Uprising Day, which commemorates resistance to occupation by Chinese government forces in Tibet and the subsequent exile of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. 62 years ago, brave Tibetans rose up against the Chinese invasion to protect their way of life and culture.
Continue to stand in solidarity with them.
With the decades-long oppression, the CCP assimilated and eliminated many nations within the borders that it controls.
When the Tibetan National Uprising erupted in Lhasa, a question arose among the people of Tibet, and indeed among all of humanity. What will be Tibet's future? The answer, it appears, lies in everything that has happened during the past 62 years. The death of over 1 million Tibetan men and women, the destruction of 98% of Tibetan Buddhist monasteries.
The spirits are calling, from a land above the clouds. They sing to us to come back to the heavenly land.
Dressed in robes of maroon, faces wreathed in smiles. Monks lead the hopeful on a journey of 1,000 miles.
Tibet, Tibet, the
Tibet, you live in my every breath. Tibet, Tibet, I'll be with you once again. Your streams and mountain peaks will one day be unchained. Tibet, Tibet, the land of spiritual wealth. Tibet, Tibet, you live in my every breath. Tibet, Tibet, I'll be with you once again. Your streams and mountain peaks will one day be unchained. Tibet, Tibet, the home my parents left. Tibet, Tibet, you live in my every breath.